Hi folks, this time I've got Nike from Sony Fireworks, which is part of their Double Dhamaka series. This means that both of the shells in this box have a different function. Let's take a look at this box, the shells inside, and then let's fire them. The MRP of this is 3090.95 and I got this for 850. We can look at the chemical ingredients here that says silver willow pellets and white color. But I think we're going to get more than just this. It's New Year's Eve right now and we'll be lighting this for New Year. So let's unbox this. There we go. The print on this covering is pretty unique. It's different from the usual Sony packaging. Let me check the measurement of this. This is about 3.25 inches, so it's a little bigger than 3 inches. Let's fire these. Nike performed better than how I expected it to perform after reading the ingredients. Instead of getting a plain white display, in the first shell, we got small red stars with crackling, and in the second shell, we got much bigger red stars that gave us a beautiful display.